Good morning to everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about some important topics of light lesson. So let's get started. Before that, as it is a new channel, we need your support. So please follow. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Let's start. In this light chapter, we have some important topics. So for that, we shall draw a sphere. So this is called as an imaginary sphere. So now in this sphere, we shall cut this sphere into two pieces. So now this is called as a mirror. When we cut our imaginary sphere into two pieces, it will become a mirror in this light topic. So first we shall discuss about concave and convex mirror. Now this is the reflecting rays. When the outer surface is polished and inner surface is reflecting, that is known as concave mirror. See, this outer surface is getting polished and the inner surface will get reflected. That is known as concave mirror. When inner surface is polished and the outer surface gets reflected, that is known as convex mirror. Understand? So now let's get into the topic now. In this imaginary sphere, the center of the sphere, we call it as center of curvature. This is known as center of curvature, and it is denoted as capital C. The center of the imaginary sphere, don't get confused, the center of the imaginary sphere is called as the center of curvature, and the center of the mirror, like this, is called as pole. The center of the imaginary sphere is known as center of curvature, and the center of the mirror is known as pole. Okay? Is known as pole. Now, there must be a line passing through it, right? This line passing through the center of the curvature and the pole is known as principal axis. Principal axis. The line which is passing through the center of curvature and the pole is known as principal axis. It is an horizontal line, it is an imaginary too. And the reflecting rays, there must be a reflecting rays, right? See, as we all know, light travels in a straight line. So these are the reflecting rays. The rays which are meeting at the point of center of curvature. This is the center of curvature. The point where all the reflecting rays meet is known as principal focus, or we call it as focus itself. The length. Now this is the principal focus. The reflecting rays which are meeting at the point of center of curvature is known as principal focus, right? The length between these two, the length between the principal focus and the pole, this is known as focal length. What it is called as? It is called as focal length, and it is measured in terms of meter, small m. Okay. The length between the principal focus and the pole is known as focal length. Don't get confused, it is not between the center of curvature and the pole, it is between the principal focus and the pole. It is known as focal length. It is denoted by m. Okay. These are the important topics which will appear in the spherical mirrors or the